Morning, Ralph. Morning, Sam.
So we're out again, Doug.
We are, Frank. I think we needed to, didn't we?
We did. I've had a pretty busy and traumatic month, to be honest.
Yeah.
But it's nice to get out and have a fish again.
With me.
Oh, with you, Doug. Yes,
Thank
absolutely
you,
with you.
I thought I'd remind you.
Yeah, well, I had 4 days in Port Lincoln and didn't get to fish because that wasn't the purpose of the trip. But never mind. That'll happen at some point. So where are we today?
We are upstream of Swan Reach and downstream of Blanchetown.
Yes, and in actual fact, if you look up there, you can see the weir and the red light on the lock. So this is a boat ramp. We've already had 2 boats come down this morning, but that's all right. We'll work it out. And yeah, let's hope there's a few fish around.
Yeah, I've seen a few come up the top. There's plenty of pelicans.
There certainly are a lot of pelicans. They're everywhere.
This one. So we're looking for some stuff about this big Frank.
Yeah, that they can't eat.
Yeah.
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 So what are you fishing?
I'm fishing just one rod today, Frank. On a feeder.
Yep.
With chook pellets soaked in molasses.
Ah.
I used it last week somewhere on a method feeder. It was brilliant. But I'm using it in a cage feeder today with normal ground bait.
And what's your hook bait?
My hook bait will be corn.
Corn.
But I have got worms.
Okay.
I've been to the doctors and he said there's nothing you can do about it.
No, that's right. I wonder why you're rubbing your butt on the grass up there.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So, Doug's fishing there. I'm fishing here. I'm going to start off with worms on both rods. Single hook paternosters. And see what happens. But it is a nice day. We've picked the best day of the week. The rest of the week has been pretty ordinary, poured with rain yesterday. Today is, as you can see, quite murky, foggy, but no wind, which is always the big thing, isn't it, Doug?
Yeah.
You don't like big wind.
Some intermittent wind down the track.
Okay, I don't really want to discuss your dietary habits. Yeah, so it'll be just straight paternosters out here and we'll see what happens. See if I can not catch myself a pelican. I'll get a wood duck instead.
Yeah, they're easier to get in.
They don't put up so much of a fight. So yeah, we'll paternoster with worms. We've got ourselves a nice little sandy beach here next to the boat ramp. So I would think probably good carp habitat. But you never know, might get something else. Doesn't seem to be very deep, Doug. Oh, my first bite. Doesn't seem very big though. Yeah, we came down here about 12 months ago, or maybe a bit longer, and we found a good little spot, but do you think we could find it again? We drove around for about 20 minutes looking for it. Couldn't find it. Anyway, this will do. Well, we've been here for an hour. I've had 5 or 6 very, very tiny little taps on the outside rod here. No bites at all on that rod, and Doug's had 1 tap on his feeder, so I think it's just going to be a slow day. Plenty of fish flipping around, but they're all small.
There's another one coming, Frank.
That's number 5, and there's already one going into the lock and the others are waiting. Right, well that was a little bit different. Could well be a day where there's more paddle steamers than fish.
Yeah, could be.
Just got snagged up out there and broken off, which didn't please me too much. So back to it. Oh, coming up to 11:30. I've just had to re-rig again, and basically nothing's happening. Just a few very, very tentative little bites that have come to nothing.
Seen plenty of paddle steamers though, Frank.
We have, Doug.
Heard a few frogs this morning.
A few birds.
Yeah.
It's just not happening, is it?
No. So I've come over to have a chat with you.
Oh, that's nice of you.
Yeah, I've had enough now. I'm going.
Yeah. Oh well, you have good days and you have bad days, and this is not a good day. Doug's got a couple of mates.
Yeah. I've been called a wood duck in the past.
Have you?
Murray were called a pair of wood ducks one day when we was on our holidays.
So what happened, Doug?
Get the pink pig out, Frank. My first bite after 2.5 hours. That long, I lost it just down there.
I saw. I wasn't filming.
No, I know you weren't.
Yeah. Oh no. That's about the size of it, folks. Oh no.
I thought, God, you'll never believe it.
No. That was nearly a donut breaker. Hey, a fish!
It's a good one.
Oh. On corn?
Yep. Don't get off, please, don't get off. Because if he laughs at me again, I'm going to be spewing.
You better land it now.
Don't put me under pressure.
Oh, I think the hook's falling out.
Don't want to come in. It's not that big.
No, it's not.
It doesn't matter.
It's one more than I've got.
Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah. Oh dear, never seen anyone get so excited over a very moderate carp. Oh well, you got one, well done.
On the method feeder.
Yes.
That is the crux.
Okay.
I'm so pleased with that. Size of that, it's a whopper.
Well, if you hold it out that far. Oh, well done. That's a fish.
Yeah.
I'm still looking at a donut.
But look at this. I want to show people this. Because I've been fishing with a feeder all morning, can't get anything. So I changed to a method feeder, one of them.
Yep.
And I've had two bites on two casts.
Yep. Well, I might have to look at it myself.
Yeah, well, I can sell you one next week.
Thanks.
Good, very big. What? Ready?
Ready! So the old method feeder is the only thing that's got a fish today. Well, nothing was happening out deep, so I've put some ground bait in 20-30 feet out and got both baits in close. Something's got to happen.
I've had little bites.
That is about, I reckon, what's been picking at my bait.
You want it?
Do I want it?
Yeah, do you want to eat it?
No.
Well, I've been getting tiny little bites.
Yeah. Yeah. What size hook you got?
8.
Okay. Well, I'm just sitting here watching my rod tips. There's absolutely nothing happening. So I don't think we'll probably stay a lot longer. What's the time? 12:30. Yeah. Just nothing happening. Yeah, great cast. We're just starting to pack up, and I watched Doug's rod.
We were just describing how we both had, we haven't had one that's gone like that, and that
No.
just went.
Yeah, and that took the rod tip around. So Doug's got 1.5 a fish at the moment. Is this going to be a fish or is it going to be a half?
No, it's a fish.
You wouldn't even need to net it, would you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm going to net it just for effect.
Yeah.
Well, that's telling me one thing today.
Well, the method feeder has definitely worked for you, so I'm quite happy to give it a
Yeah.
shot next time we go out,
Oh, you bugger.
because way
I'm
that's
going to.
about the same size as the first one you got.
Yeah, probably. You will be getting a kit soon, Frank.
Yeah. So I need to check I got some money in the bank account, do I?
I'll treat you. How about that?
Oh, you're a good man despite what your wife says about you.
Yes.
Well, it's not even.
That's a good fight for a Murray fish.
In the bag. That's a bit smaller than the first one you got, I reckon.
I think it's his brother.
His brother. What's
His
his name?
brother.
Slim. Even the kookaburras are laughing at me, Doug.
Yeah. Bit laughing.
Yes.
What can I say?
It's 2.5 more than I got.
Yeah.
Well, Doug, that was an underwhelming day.
It was, Frank.
It was, particularly for me. I got nothing.
Um,
I've got to say, I've been fishing in the river for 50 odd years, and there'd be very few times I've ever been up here where I've caught nothing. And unfortunately, this was one of them.
between me and you, we ain't coming back here anymore.
No, I don't think so.
No.
I don't think so.
Yeah, there was only one method at work today, wasn't there?
Oh, very good.
That was the
No,
method.
nice pun. Nice pun.
But it did.
Yes.
It was weird. Thank
Yes.
you, Benzels.
Yeah.
I spied what you was doing the other day. I threw me old method feeders out. Got some new ones from China. I've got a packet for Frank next time. And
It'll cost me an arm and a leg, but
no, they won't, because I'm that type of guy.
okay.
Um,
Yes. Well, like 3 fish or 2.5 fish for nearly 5 hours fishing. It's not
yeah,
very
not
impressive,
very
is
good.
it?
No, but the paddle steamers were good.
They were. That was a highlight, I've got to say.
Absolute
Pretty cool.
highlight, yeah.
Yeah. So I
yeah.
think they're going to be the feature of the video, because it certainly isn't fish.
What about me?
Oh, and Doug.
Oh, yes. Before you came round to pick me up this morning, Larry yesterday bought me a one of them donuts, them nice ones.
Larry is Doug's partner.
Yeah, it's a she.
Yes. Right.
She bought me a Krispy Kreme donut, so I'm eating it this morning at 6:30 in the dark, thinking, oh shit, hope this is not a bad omen.
Yeah.
Eating a donut.
Well, it was
before
for
we
me.
go.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad you clarified that about Larry being a she, because
Yes.
there'd be some of our viewers who'd be wondering.
Yes, we have had a couple of comments, haven't we?
We have.
No, she's definitely a she.
Brokeback cowboy.
Yes.
And yeah.
Yes, that man. Yeah.
All right. Well, look, not much of a video in terms of fish. There's a darter
Oh,
over there by the buoy, big skinny neck.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Not much in the way of fish. The paddle steamers were very cool, so I think they're going to be the feature of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.
Bye, Frank.
Thanks, Doug.
I've done that already, haven't I?
No, I've edited that bit out.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.